Dear friends and professionals, in this video I am going to explain about how to create an Android application for the libraries. This video contains information about how to create an Android application by Android App Inventor 2, how to create a simple Android app, and also how to give um, link from Android app to your library or pack, and how to give the link from Android app to your digital library and your library website and your other your university or college contents like Sims or e-resources like that one. So first, when you want to create an Android application, you should have a Gmail account. So first you open Gmail account in your browser. So I'm hoping, so first you open the Google. In this browser, just type Android App Inventor 2. Just type Android App Inventor 2. So the link, open the link. So once you have to log in from this one. Okay, this in this web page, it contains the information about how to create an Android application and the introductory part and so many tutorials and all. So first one is, I'm going to log into my Android App Inventor. So it will ask which Gmail account you want to use. I want to use my new Gmail account. So just open some here. Okay, first in the first time it will ask terms and service and condition. You have to accept. Just click to accept. So now it will take you to main page of Android App Inventor 2 development page. So it will give some introductory part. Just close these things. Next thing is, in this page it is contain information about projects. That is means if you have a previous project, you can open and also start new project. So you will understand later on all those information. So next one is, it is connected. If you have AE and AE companion, so you will in a real time itself what is going on in Android you can see. And after finish your Android app development, you can in the build you can download in the APK format. Okay, these are all the basic information it is having. So now I want to create one simple app. So just click start new project. So here I need to mention about what is my Android app name. So I'm going to mention about my university name is Volaga University. So Volaga _ Universal Library. I'm going to mention whatever you want, your university name or maybe your institution name you can mention. So just it's going to open in the main page. You may see here there is it is a kind of a mobile phone it's opening. Okay, that is a mobile interface that is opening. So here there are so many options are there. Okay, it is a front-end design and its block is back-end design. Okay, now there are plenty of options are available here. So this is button and layout. What is the layout of your so I cannot explain everything over here. So what are the required information needed for this Android app? Those things only I am explaining here. So first one is I need to create I have selected one, my screen. Okay, just name my screen name is this is home page. Okay, just name it as home. So I'm going to type, just name it as home. Okay, here whatever your page information, those things you can explain. Okay, I need to make it center. Okay, whatever I can enter the data over here, all should be arranged in the center. It's from the top. Okay, align vertical. It's from the top. So next one is I can define the background of my page. So if I don't want to define the background, I want to set the my university background here. So just go here and upload. I have some image about my university, so I can give the background as it is. So I have logo, my university logo is, I think it's in desktop, I think. Yeah, it is in desktop. Okay, I want to give background my university logo. Just select whatever you want, just select. So I'm giving background over here. It is now appearing. Okay, you see that it is a background of my app. So next one is I want to define about you can give animation or anything information. So what is the icon? Icon means when you open your app at the start in your mobile phone, icon is going to display. So how what is the icon? Those image also you can select. So I'm going to select this icon. Okay, this icon. So when you, at the end you will come to know where it will appear. So I make it as a scrollable. Scrollable means okay, you can drag and drop from top to bottom. So you have to select this option. This is very important. So next thing is just follow my step what I'm telling, so you can easily create the added app. So next one is the title of this page. Okay, screen 1 it is displaying. Just leave it, no problem. So version, okay, this is 1.0. If next time if you do any updates, you can make it 2 or 2.0 or 2 like that one. So sometimes you may see Android application like version 1.2. Now I'm going to start the Android app. First you drag and drop. Okay, now I'm going to create some buttons to my page. So drag the button over here. Next one is label. Label means I want to give gap between the buttons, so I am using label as giving the gaps. So again you need to, in the middle you should have the label. So it will be empty label. I will expand it. So again you have to draw in between the buttons. Okay, there should be a label because there will be a gap. It is going to create a gap over there. So next thing is I'm going to define the size of this button. So what is the size of my button? So I'm going to mention it is 50% or 70%. So whatever you enter the title of your university, okay, name of your university, you can enter over here. So I'm going to define this size, okay, 70%. So you should follow the uniformity over here. So in the width, okay, width again, okay, all button you should mention 75%. So it will be looks nice. Okay, everything I defined. Okay, in the middle I have labels. Okay, just make it empty. Okay, just select in the text label, so make it empty, so that automatically the gap has been created in between the buttons. You may observe here. So I'm going to define what is the font size. It is a bold, and you can define the text of this button. Okay, what is the text of this button? You can define, and color of this button also you can define over here. The default it is some unknown color. So I'm going to select a red color because you can select any color as your institution requirement, or maybe your institutional colors or something else. Okay, here I'm going to type about my university name, Olga University. You may see here. So I'm going to change the text color over here. Okay, you can say change. Okay, I will make it white. So for the red background, white will be highlight more. So you can change the font color, font size over here. Just observe, it is a 20. I made it 20 size my font. So now it is look nice. Next thing is you can define the same way you can define to other button. Okay, in the second button I'm going to define this as library and information center, because I'm developing app for my library. So I'm going to mention is about library and information center. So again you have to make, for each button you have to do this way in the front end. Okay, again I need to change the color white. Okay, I need to give the text size. It is around 17% I'm giving. So you may see here. Okay, in the third button I need to make it okay welcome note. I want to give the welcome note. So here I'm going to type about welcome to W Android app. That is means welcome to Olaga University Android app. Like some welcome note I'm giving. So just type whatever you want the test and displays. So the same way you can change the color, everything. Just follow the steps for each. Once you start the heading side, okay, you have to follow the same procedure over there. Okay, these are all things I have created. Okay, heading part it has been created my app. Next thing is about again I will drag here one label in between the gap. So here also I can change the text size. Okay, that is around 18. Okay, that is something. Okay. The next thing is I can drag the in between. I need to keep a gap. Okay, it will be empty label. So empty label we use for the giving the gap between the that is the buttons. Okay, I'm going to add the buttons over here for the opaque and the digital library link and website link. I'm drag and drop over here. So just you can observe here. I'm going to create some buttons for the opaque digital library. This button is for the digital library, and now I'm creating it's a front-end design, so it will take some time. In the only one time you have to do the work. It is take so much time, so I will explain one by one. So for this one, for the text button, you can give the image background also. Instead of text background, you can give the image background in this place for this one, for these things. So I'm for the first text button I'm going to show about the image background. Okay, here you may see when you select button 4 is activated, that number. So I'm going to give the image background here. So just select okay, what image you want. Okay, first image background. So I'm going to select it is for the digital library. So it's a digital library background. So this is very big. It will look like some odd. So I'm going to change the size of this button. So you can change the size and the width. Just go to width and type okay how much. Okay, 70% or once you check, so you will understand that one. So you make it a height okay, you have to reduce. So 25% I'm giving 20 or 25%. You can give the size. So next thing is about 20%. It is good. Okay, it is enough 20%. So I want to give this background is already defined in the text itself. It is already affixed over there. So I am going to remove that one. Next thing is I want to give the size of second button is all about opaque button. If you click this button in your web page, opaque will be open. So that reason. So next third one is I'm going to add SIMS means a student information management system. In our university we have this software about making the assessment and all. So entering assessment and giving the result and all. So next one is this part is okay, Volga University e-learning. Okay, we have some our university e-learning system by using Joomla software. So that is also so and Volga University website link. Okay, this will be this tab I'm going to add for my website link, and also university website. You can give the your university, what is your university and or institutional website link also you can give from your app to app. So if you click your website or your library website from your app, it will open over there. So text, okay, these are all the things I have added. At the end, I need to add the information about contact information. Okay, well, who's the contact person of this app, or maybe librarian or something. So how to add that contact information? So for that, so it is a different part. I'm going to explain this part. Layout, you should go to layout, and here I need to select vertical arrangement. Okay, at the end you should have fix over here. So it will show you have to enter contact person. Who is the contact person? Okay, librarian, and your phone number and your institution name and all those things. So I need to extend it is a full screen. So just click fill parent. So it is appearing in the full screen. I need to make this background is none. So go to default. Okay, I need to make it none background. So it will transparent. It will appear as a transparent over here. Next one is I need to add here information about contact us, because who is the contact person of this app. So those things I can add. So entering the information, first I'm going to add button. You can add button, either button or either label over here. Anything you can add over here. Okay, you can add label, not empty, it is for the text label. So just add how many labels or how many lines you want over here. Just drag and drop over here. So you may see how many lines you want. It is appearing there. So in this line, I am going to enter information about contact person line. So in this text box, I am going to enter about button. Okay, contact us. I'm going to type about contact us. Who's the contact person like? Okay. You can mention your name over here, or maybe librarian something else. Okay, I can make it bold. So next one is who is the contact person? It is contact person is librarian. So just type. Next one is what is your institution name? Okay, my institution name is Volga University. So next one is your place, maybe contact address or something you can mention. Maybe post box office, post box number, or maybe phone number, something you can mention. Okay, may come to my place and this place, and what is your contact address? Email address is gmail.com. Simply whatever you want, your contact information by your name also you can type. So now I am making bold. Okay, just select that button and click the bold. It is appearing. So when you want to learn this part, you need some patience. So just observe most of things. Okay, here I'm going to change text over here because default text is appearing. So I'm making this WE learning. So just type W. I'm typing. I'm giving link follow here some uniformity. So here I'm going to give the size, it is around 50%, so it will all button size should be same. So I'm going to define the size of the button, it is a 50%. Yeah, so all buttons, you whatever you want to select. – 50% I selected. So for each button you have to select what is the background you want. So make it bold, all font text should be bold. So here you can give the text size, it is a 16% I'm giving, and also I'm making bold everything, so it will be 16%. So select each, make it 16%. Okay, I created. So I'm going to define the background of these buttons. So go to whatever the background is. I'm going to select magenta. So for this magenta color, the white text, it is the good. So whatever you want, I'm selecting magenta color. So you can select institutional or maybe your country flag or something else you can select over here, flag color or something. So here I'm selecting what is the what is the text color. Text color is white. So I'm going to make it big. So it is small, I think. So I'm going to select color white. So for the red background, white will be highlighted. White will be very good. Okay. Okay, then this contact us, this is okay, you can select white. Okay, these are all the color. Okay, that's the first page. What is the screen one I defined over here. Here the first page, it has been defined over here. Next one is in the second page, if I click digital library, it has to take to another page. So if you click this page, it has to take to next page. So I need to add screen. So another page, the screen name is digital library. So just type underscore. So for accessing digital library, I'm creating another page. So new page again for this screen also. Okay, this is my university digital library. We are used digital DSpace for this software. It is XML UI view. You may see here. Okay, this is our okay. From we have different colleges in our university. So I'm giving links from Android up to our university. Again, in this page, okay, you have to define about what is the alignment is center, and it will be you have to give the background. So I have downloaded some background from the internet. Just select whatever you want background and select. Okay, it is appearing some background. So I'm going to add some buttons over here. So like this, I am drag and drag this button. Again, label, I am giving the label because I need to give gap between buttons. So again, label I am giving here. So 3 links. Okay, for the time being, I am showing only 3 links from app to that particular pages. So from the top, I need to give some some back gaps, so I'm going to add over there. So empty label if you had in the top, so in the top itself, from the top, from the from tab, there will be it will create some gap from the top itself. So now thing is, I need to define about my college. I need to rename the button name. So go to text, and here College of Engineering Technology. This is one college in our university. And next one is a College of Natural and Natural Science. Natural Science. And third one is so we have different colleges like Medicine, College of Medicine, College of Health Science. So now I am showing only 3. So College of Business and Economics, okay, like this. So again, for this button we have to define background and color of the text and the size of the that button we have to define again. Now come back. So for the defining, you have to go to width. Here you have to mention about 70%. Here also I need to mention, I think 70. Oh, sorry. Okay, by miss I selected this part, height. So you have to make it automatic. Yeah. Okay. Here 70% I am going to select. Okay, again 70%. Now you may see here digital library. The page has been created. If a student or user click this button, it will take you the engineering technology page of digital library. So next again I am going back to screen 1. From this screen 1, okay, this first part has been created. Next, this is blocks. Okay, before that, okay, another one. Before that, I need to give the hyperlink. Okay, for the hyperlinking, there is some option how to give the hyperlinking. So for that one, okay, there are so many options are there. I should not. Don't worry. Just go to connectivity. Select. Just drag and drop activity starter. That is means if they click some button opaque, so it will interlink to that activity. So if they click, it will open that particular page. So this one is in this activity starter, we need to add the hyperlink. So this we need to add what is the hyperlinking? That means links. It may be a website, it may be a local links like 192 or IP address something. So I am going to rename this activity starter. So this one is for the opaque. So second activity starter, it is for the second link is about SIMS, because our university we have these SIMS some link. So third, that one, it is WE learning. So if you remember, no need to worry, no need to rename also, but if you make like this, it is very easy to identify. So you will understand in the next 4-5 minutes. Okay, again you have to rename this one for the library website. Just open. And last one is university website. Activity file is for the university website. Just click. Next thing is about for the action I need to enter some information. Okay, here the action, it should be a Android intent action view. You have to copy this text I have given under my video. Just copy the text. So just copy and paste over here. For each activity starter, you should enter this text. If you not enter, it will not open. Okay, just copy. This is my university opaque. So this link and paste data URI. Okay, this place. So it when you click opaque, so it will open it. Next one is university opaque is open. Next one is WE learning. Okay, the next one is the SIMS, our university student information management system. So here again the action data URI we have to enter. Next one is action. I need to define the university website. Yeah, I'm going to copy the web link and paste to activity starter. Okay, it is finished. Okay, that first part it has been finished. Next one is in the digital library page. Again I need to create, here also I need to create the link. If they click College of Engineering Technology, the digital library page, okay, again go to I'm going to add a 3 activity starter. Again for each starter I need to paste the action link. What are the action? This means it's going to show the link. It is a for that action I'm going to tell you should show the link like that one. So just copy this part and paste over there. Okay, it is pasted. Next one is I need to give the link. Okay, if they click College of Engineering Technology in my digital library web page, okay, here I'm going to home page. Okay, here College of Engineering Technology. Okay, this web page has to be open. Okay, in the whole content it's going to show over there. Just copy down this local link. Within the campus only it's working. It is not in the outside. It's not working. So just copy and paste over here. Next one is again College of Natural Science. Yeah, College of Natural and Computational Sciences. So just copy link and paste in the activity status 2 seconds in your page. Like this, if you have 10 department, you have to give the 10 links. So for the demo purpose, I am showing only 3 links over here. Just copy and paste over here. Yeah, okay, it has been created. Okay, all the things. Okay, just now front end design I have made. Now I am going to create the back end design. That is means in the front end everything I have defined. Okay, this is this opaque. Okay, if they click digital library, this button, it will take to another page. And if they click opaque, first we need to identify what is the name of the button. Okay, there's a button 7. This button is button 8. Like the first I'm going to define about. First I'll define about. Okay, but opaque link. How to give opaque? So go to Backend Design, you have to select button 5. Okay, button 5, it is related to opaque. So if I click the button 5 in the activity starter, it has to start. Okay, you just call the activity starter 1. So if that is, it is defined, if I click the button 5, so it will so activity starter 1, it is going to rise. So the link is going to open in your mobile phone. So next, again like this. Okay, button, you can make it duplicate also like this. So you cannot again, no need to search a button 6, like you can make it. So for the demo purpose, I'm not going advanced option again. I have to start from the beginning. Okay, buttons, if they click button 6, go to button. Okay, these are all different options. If I explain, it will create complete confusions. So just simply go to button 6. So when I click the button 6, okay, this is the latch and lock operation, like latch. So activity starter second, it has to be call. That is means it is that one, it is indicated. Okay. Next like this. Okay, if I click button 8, button 6 already defined. Okay, button 7 I need to define. So call the button 7. When I click the button 7, again you have to cross check. Okay, button 7, is it WE learning? It's button 7. So go down. Okay, if I click, okay, WE learning, that is means, so call the activity starter operation. So yeah, again no need to go and select each every time. So simply, you know everything. Okay, button 8. Okay, again make it duplicate. Okay, button 9 automatically. So we know how many buttons are there. Okay, normally it will take you to website, library website too, and university website. Okay, that front end design, it has been backend design already defined. So another button I forgot, that is one. Okay, digital library, this is very important. So when I click this button, so the screen second, or maybe digital library page has to be open. So I need to define this one. So for that, again you need to go first, you identify, but it is a button 4. Just go to button 4, just click. When click the button 4, what is the action it should be take place, you have to define over there. So there are so many options. Among that, there is, right, so there is an option, it is called as open the screen something. So I'm going to check where it is. Okay, when I click, open the digital library page. Okay, it will open. So again here also I need to define the in the back end, I need to define the these buttons. So what is a button? Again I need to identify for this screen. Okay, button 1, when I click the button 1, activity starter 1 should be start. So that one I need to define in the background place. Okay, it is a front-end design. In the backend I need to define here. This is very simple. You no need to learn any programming for this purpose. So just drag and drop operation we have to do. So go to button 1. Just when I click button 1, so activity starter 1 has to be generate. Okay, that is I'm going to tell in the app. So here again button 2. So when I click the button 2, so activity starter should be defined. So in the activity starter 2 means, okay, this College of Natural Science, it has to open over there. So just call the activity starter second. Next one is, when I create duplicate, you can make it duplicate and just simply you can change. If you have 10 or 20 buttons like this, you can just simply change like this way. So it has been defined. So I hope everything I have defined over here. So now the creating app, it has been done. Now I'm going to show about I want to see. So at the end here also, so contact us this button. It is looking not good. I think it is a hold. It is look like hold. So I'm going to change again contact us. I'm going to make it label instead of using button. I'm going to make it as a label. Again I'm going to change the color. At the end we have to cross check everything. Okay, I'm going to change the font size. So if you feel, okay, see these buttons is not necessary for you, in the middle also you can delete. That is possible. You can delete it. Some button is not needed, no longer needed for you. You can delete. Okay, just contact us. I don't know. I don't need. So button 10, that number, just click delete. It is possible. So these operation, if you done any mistake or if you hard in middle, you can do that. Now I'm going to download. How to download application? So go to build and select first option. It is going to generate the QR code. So in your mobile phone, if you scan this QR code, the Android application going to download in your mobile phone. So for that you should have the internet connectivity. So wait some second. It is going to generate. You may see right now. Yeah, and this is QR code. It is generated. Just you have to scan this QR code. So Android application directly going to download what you have download in this page. It is going to download in your mobile phone. After downloading that one, you have to run the software and you have to install in your cell phone. So as what we developed the application, it is going to show in your mobile phone. So this is one way you can download the application. And another one way is in the build. Second option is the app. You have to save those things. Second option, it is going to download to your computer. So it is going to download. After downloading that one, you have to copy and you have to send those application to your mobile phone. So maybe through your flash, you can through the Bluetooth, you can send this application to your mobile phone. So it is going to, and that way also you can install this application in your phone. So it is going to download. You may see here, yeah, it is going to download over there. So at the end you have to copy, maybe in USB OTG option, micro USB also it's coming. So through this you can transfer, or maybe through Bluetooth you can transfer to your mobile phone. So and in this way also you can transfer and you can see the application in our mobile phone. So this is application APK format. APK means Android back kit. That pack it is downloaded. So it is only within 1 hour you can develop the Android app by using the Android app Inventor tool. So it is very easy. Maybe in the initial stage you may find difficulties, but you have to work and you have to learn very seriously this part. So this one, if you now I felt okay, at the end I need to give some gap. Okay, at the top end there also I need to give some gap. So like this you can give by adding the label and empty label, so you can give the gap. Okay, you can download this part over it. Next one is in the connect, that is means there is one application, it is called AI companion. If you install that AI companion to your mobile phone, so in the real time itself what you have developed you can see in your computer screen itself. It is possible. So one small mobile screen it is appearing if you click this AI companion. So what you have done, okay, there itself directly you can see that is possible, but it is simple app development, so no need to worry about those things. But thank you for watching. Now let us see how it is look in my mobile phone. Okay, this is my mobile phone. Okay, you may see, okay, this is Volaga Live app. You may see app icon. So if I open, it is going to show like this way. So first thing, okay, these are all the buttons. Okay, these are all the buttons. Now I am going to click digital library. If I click first, you may see here. Okay, if I click digital library, College of Engineering Technology, so digital library page is open in mobile phone because I connected college Wi-Fi network. So College of Natural Science, okay, all content it's going to show over there. So in my university Wi-Fi I connected, so it is local content is showing my mobile phone. Next one is opaque. If I click opaque, our university opaque IP address is showing. So for that you should connect to Wi-Fi to your university Wi-Fi or your institution Wi-Fi over there. So next you must see here, okay, my opaque is showing over here. I can search the content. So that is means in the through the Android application you can in one place itself you can give different links. That is possible. So no user no need to go to each browser and type the it is highly impossible to remember the IP address. So like this, okay, our e-learning website is available, and the Sims website, Sims local area connection is available, everything. Okay, it is available. Next one is our library website. If they click our library website, it's direct to it is directly reach to our website, and in our website they can download handouts, maybe it is electronics books, this information they can download. It's possible. So like this, whatever the link they want they can download. So next university website, it is take to university website. So that is means through this Android application they can get all links. So in one place itself they can get all information, and this is very good option. We have to learn, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you need any queries or anything, please do let me know in comment.